Okay, mangunguha kami ng kalamansi guys kasi marami na siyang malaki-laki. So, mag-aakyat ako kasi wala kami pang kawit. Gagamit lang ako ng ng hagdan, ng ladder. Okay, hold it mama. Hold it. Alright. Hindi, dami. Dami. Dami ng... Madami ng... This is niya. It's still left this as well.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I can pick that up. I don't.
Ow.
Here.
Okay.
At ito pa lang nakuha namin guys. So ito pa lang yung medyo malaki-laki. Ito pa lang nakuha namin. Marami pa doon guys kaso nga lang medyo maliliit. So ito ay pang almusal namin. Lagay sa tea. Right, Micaela?
Oh, yaba, no. Seed? Gonna be sour.
No, maybe because of the
It's not soft.
weather.
I don't give it to her.
Why not?
I want to eat it.
Don't eat now.
Oh yeah, that's really good. Yeah, it's almost too much.
Give me that. Give it to some. Give me that.